Sanmonani, welcome to F Media. Namhlanje sila Danela at GNH Garden. Such a very beautiful place. Sizoshadisa uSimongile Biyela kanye noNkululeko Mthembu.
No one makes me feel the way you do inside. And I don't know what I would do without you, and that's no lie. If I die, I'd hope to find you in another life, so we could fall again. Be the way we were when we first began, like the first time that I ever saw you smile. I want that feeling again. Let's be the way we were when we first began. Yes, we've got something special. Let's hold on.
So the wedding is about to start. As we can see, these are the pre-preparations. Abantu bayafika bayeza, and the cars are coming. It's gonna be a beautiful day. We can't wait to see the bride, how beautiful she is. As nabahle, so botunkululeko, right? Okay, so ngicela ngichazele ukuthi ngoba nibahle kangaka, nigqoke kahle namasudeni enifanele, nigqokise ubani, how